We can do better. But with this regime, they have absolutely no idea what is happening. Instead, they are abusing bishops. they are actually literally abusing bishops. Because if you also don't respect our spiritual fathers, where are you going to get blessings from?
Maybe just to add our displeasure with the response of the Kenya Kwanza government to the statement issued by the bishops yesterday. And we want to urge them to just stop the insolence and the intolerance that they are showing to criticism. Stoning the bishops or trying to kill the messenger will not change the message. We stand by the bishops, particularly Bishop Muheria, who has been targeted, and we stand by the church, we stand by the truth. And we want to tell our colleagues in government that what the bishops have said is what the Gen Zs said, is what the millennials said, is what the opposition is saying, is what the international community is saying. Stop the abductions, stop the corruption. So name calling or trying to intimidate the bishops will not change the truth. Address the issues, stop the insolence, stop the intolerance. Thank you.